In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple branches in your Zoho Books organization, specifically tailored for users in India. Managing multiple branches can seem daunting, but with Zoho Books, it's straightforward and efficient, helping you streamline your operations and maintain your financial health across all locations. Let's start by navigating to your Zoho Books account. Once you're on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the top of the page where you'll see the Organization tab. It's your starting point for handling all the administrative tasks related to your organization. Clicking on Organization will give you access to a range of settings and information about your business. This is your control center, where you can switch between branches or manage different facets of your organization's financial data. Next, click on Manage within the Organization tab. This section is crucial because it's where you'll have an overview of your existing organizational branches. Here, you can see all the branches currently linked to your main organization, each with its own set of transactions and financial data. This view helps you quickly assess how each branch is performing and provides insights into your business's overall financial status. To delve deeper into the specifics of each branch, locate the More option. Clicking here will reveal additional actions you can take, such as setting up new branches or tweaking settings for existing ones. If you're overseeing multiple locations, this feature is particularly helpful as it allows you to manage complexities like GST compliance and financial consolidation. If you want to add another branch, you need to start by clicking on New Organization. This setting allows you to treat each branch as a separate entity under your main organizational umbrella. The advantage here is that it simplifies handling different tax regimes and financial reporting, making scaling your business straightforward. As you proceed with setting up a new branch, you'll have the option to clone settings from an existing branch or configure entirely new settings. Cloning is a great time saver if your branches operate with similar financial protocols. However, if this new branch will have distinct rules or policies, setting it up from scratch might be more appropriate. Navigating the management tools effectively can greatly enhance your operational efficiency. Each selection you make in Zoho Books is designed to adapt to the dynamic needs of an expanding organization, ensuring that data accuracy and financial transparency are maintained. That wraps up our tutorial on managing multiple branches in Zoho Books for the Indian market. With these steps, you can ensure your branches are well organized and compliant with local financial regulations. By leveraging these tools, your business can continue to grow seamlessly and